Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install LokLok on your laptop. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome in your laptop and type LokLok for Windows PC Desktop Download. Then here, open the official result that shows the Windows PC Desktop Download. Then, click Download Windows app to begin downloading the setup file. Choose a folder where you want the file to save. Then click Save. And on the top right corner of the Chrome, click the download icon to see the progress. And once finished, click the download icon again and open the installer file. Click Got It to agree with the user agreement and privacy policy. Then check the confirmation box, then click Install Now. Here you'll see the installation process begin. When the installation is complete, open the LokLok and now you're all set. You can explore, stream, and watch your favorite movies and shows anytime, right from your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.